Today, I will be showing an extraordinary experience of Dubai, the cruise Dubai Marina. It was a 90-minute dinner cruise that promises not just a meal, but a memory to look forever. So, the Marina Cruise was a yacht with two floors, upper and lower. If you're planning for a cruise ride, you must take the upper seat because up there you can view 360 degrees of the Dubai world. Now let's talk about the view. The canal that it goes through has some spectacular views. The buildings, the lights, the entire view mesmerizes you. The towering skyscrapers, the iconic Palm Jumeirah, and the lights instantly capture our senses. And keep those cameras ready. The cruise sails past some of Dubai's most iconic landmarks, giving us the chance to capture jaw-dropping photos in the city's beauty from a unique perspective. Now, on to the star of the show, the food. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with an array of international and local delights. From appetizers that dance on your palate to main courses that redefine indulgence, every bite is an exploration of flavors. And of course, the dessert spread, a sweet conclusion to our culinary journey. Whether you're here with your special someone or sharing the night with friends and family, the Dhow Cruise Dubai Marina sets the perfect backdrop for an unforgettable evening. The gentle breeze, the soothing sounds of the water, and the city's shimmering lights create an atmosphere that's pure magic. As our cruise comes to a close, we're left with memories that are simply priceless. The Dhow Cruise Dubai Marina isn't just a boat ride, it's a symphony of experiences that showcases the soul of Dubai. And there you have it, a glimpse into the enchantment that is the Dhow Cruise Dubai Marina. If you're in Dubai and seeking an evening that combines culinary delights, breathtaking views, and a touch of Arabian magic, this experience is tailor-made for you. Until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.